Have you ever been at home bored and y'all don't know what to do? This is the video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Guys, today's video is going to be 20 things to do when you're bored. Without further ado, let us get into the video. You're bored at home and you don't know what to do, especially like in this time. You don't have that much places to go because it's still quarantine time, kinda. So what are some of the things you can do when you're bored at home? The first thing I have on my list is read the Bible. You know, a lot of times we say we don't have time to read the Bible. We get a lot of time now, so why not read the Bible? Alright, the other thing I have is read or write a book. Now, when quarantine just started, I was reading a lot. Well, I wasn't reading necessarily a lot, but I was writing a lot. I wrote about 4 or 5 books on Wattpad. Now, the other thing you guys can do when you are bored at home is clean out your closet or clean out your room, clean out a space in your house, somewhere that you've wanted to clean for a while but you haven't gotten the chance. So now you have the chance, go ahead and clean it now. Alright, so the next thing is a Pampers / spa day. You have the time, why not spend it on yourself? So that's a good way to spend a time when you are bored. The next one is listening to podcasts. Now, I started listening to podcasts about 2 or so weeks ago, or about a week ago. The only podcast I really listen to is Pretty Basic.
Ramble.
Alright, so Alicia, two of my favorite YouTubers, Alicia Mary and Remy Cruz, they have a podcast by the name of Pretty Basic, and I listen to their podcast. But I'm sure you guys can find other podcasts there that you kind of want to listen to, so you guys can go ahead and find that. I have reorganizing your room, or you can reorganize your bathroom, reorganize your house, your apartment, whatever you want to reorganize. I have the next one, play board games. You can play board games with your family. You can also play board games with your friends because you have apps. I do have an app that plays like Ludo and Domino and Chicken Ladder online, so you can actually find your friends, or you can meet new friends by playing that online. I have the next one, bake or cook something new or something you love. Like, I like to bake cookies and cake, and in quarantine I actually learned how to bake banana bread. So I made my first banana bread when quarantine just started. I didn't vlog it, sucks, but it was good. I've made a lot of cookies and like baking brownies. Just bake something that you've always wanted to bake or something that you love to do. Just cook it or bake it. Alright, now the next thing is like what you're doing now. Watch YouTube videos. There are a lot of YouTubers out there and a lot of YouTubers that need your support. So you guys can go and find new YouTubers, search up a word that you know, search up vlogs and look at like recent videos and find new YouTubers that you don't normally watch. I do that a lot. I just go on and go into search and say I search for daily vlogs, and I go and I do the filter, so it doesn't give me the popular ones, it actually gives me the recent ones. So I do that, and find a lot of new YouTubers, so you guys can go ahead and do that as well. Find a new or old Netflix show. Now, I'm not necessarily a Netflix watcher like that. I just have my Netflix account for my sister and for other people, but I do watch a few Netflix shows. When I'm in the mood to watch a movie, I will watch a movie, trust me. So you guys can find new or old shows that you guys can watch. You can play a new game or play an old game. So you can play Sims like me. When I'm bored, I will play Sims, or I'll play Disney Emoji Blitz. I have a lot of games, and now you have the new game Among Us to play. That's a fun game to play, so you guys can play that when you are bored. You can also do a new makeup look or learn to do makeup. So if you're a girl and you like makeup, but you have never even tried to do makeup before, you can try to do makeup when you're bored. You have the makeup sitting there. If you do, go ahead and try. No one that does makeup now just got up one day and know how to do makeup. They started somewhere, so you guys can just get up, take up your makeup brushes, your palettes and whatever, and start doing makeup. Yeah, you gotta practice, baby girl, you gotta practice. All right, so the next one I have is finding new music artists. Now there are a lot of artists out there. You can just search YouTube, or you can search Apple Music, you can search Spotify. You can basically search anywhere that music is posted and find music to listen to, whether it be gospel, R&B, reggae, pop, whichever. This one I think I want to do, learn a new language. I did say I was gonna learn a new language when quarantine just started, but I didn't. But I'm saying, guys, you guys can actually take, for the times you're bored, take the time and practice a new language, whether it be Spanish, French, Portuguese, whatever language. And next to that, I have learned sign language. Now there are a lot of hearing impaired persons out there, and I think sign language is a good language. I know to do a lot of stuff, a few stuff, so like hi and thank you, and you know, no, and I know how to spell my name. I know what my name is in sign language. I went to a hearing impaired school and, you know, spelled my name for them, and they gave me so it's SB, like a sash. So I'm royal to people. I'm royal. I am royal. So that's what they give you. So the thing is, you spell your name to a hearing impaired person, and then they give you the sign for your name. You don't just pick out your sign for your name. That's what I was told. So when I went to the school, they gave me that, so you guys can actually learn sign language. I have next do a DIY, whether it be DIY pillow, DIY shirt, DIY decor, DIY bracelet, necklace, anklet, anything. DIY something. You know, you could look it up on Pinterest or on YouTube and try and follow the video or whatever. You can make a Pinterest board when you're bored. Yes, so you can go into Pinterest. Trust me, Pinterest is a very addicting thing. When you start going through Pinterest, you just want to continue. So, you know, you go through Pinterest and you find things that you're interested in. Make a board so that other people can come and they find it and follow your board and all of that. Alright, so you can paint / color something. This could be something like a DIY or something near to a DIY. So you can learn to paint, or something. If you already know to paint, just paint something or color something. I do a lot of that when I'm bored, especially coloring. Make TikToks, guys. TikTok are on the place now. So yeah, if you have not yet followed me on TikTok, please go ahead and do so. BratsK23. I make a lot of TikTok during quarantine, trust me. Alright, and then the last thing I have here is to clear up your phone / computer. Guys, if you are like me, right now I have quite a few pictures and videos in my phone. I think in total I have 10,568. So y'all can go through your phone. Like, I need a time when I'm bored to go through my phone and my computer. I clear up my computer, but you can go through your phone and sort out your phone, get rid of things that are there for a while. I'm having an issue to clear mine because mine is mostly just photos, so it's taking a while, but it will be gone soon. But yes, those are some things you can do while you're bored. If you guys come up with anything else that you think I could do while I'm bored, comment it down below. I'd like to know what you guys have in mind. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.